Hi beautiful people, welcome to Eat Works. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get started.
Here I am. I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come in and eat with that person, and they with me. Revelation chapter 3, verse 20.
Pinakbet or pakbet is a Filipino vegetable dish that is flavorful as it is colorful, delicious and nutritious dish. It is composed of a variety of vegetables and meat that originally came from the Ilocos region. There are different ways and versions in cooking pinakbet. Please continue to watch my version of this yummy and healthy dish. Ingredients: 1/2 kilo chicken breast or boneless chicken thigh, cut into small pieces. 5 cloves garlic. 1 red onion. 1 big tomato. 1 medium bitter melon. There are many benefits of regular consumption of bitter melon. It is one of the healthiest vegetables in the food kingdom and full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. 1 large eggplant. In addition to bringing a unique texture and mild flavor to recipes, eggplant brings a host of potential health benefits. The eggplant provides fiber and a range of nutrients. The fiber, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and antioxidants in eggplants all support heart health. 1/2 small squash. The antioxidants in squash can play an important role in reducing oxidative stress. In turn, this may help with cancer prevention. The vitamin C and beta-carotene found in squash may help to slow the progression of macular degeneration and reduce the chances of related vision loss. Garlic, minced. Onion, chopped. Tomato, chopped. Bitter melon, thinly sliced. Eggplant, cut diagonally. And squash, cut into cubes. 1 tablespoon shrimp paste. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 cup water. 1/2 teaspoon brown sugar optional. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Heat the oil in a large pot over medium heat. Cook and stir the garlic and onion until it turns golden brown. Add tomatoes and cook until softened and have released juice. Stir in the chicken breast and cook for about 5 minutes in medium heat. Add oyster sauce, shrimp paste and sprinkle a bit of brown sugar, about 1/2 teaspoon. Pour in 1 cup of water and bring to a boil and stir the squash and eggplant for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the bitter melon into the mixture, cover, and continue to cook for about 3 minutes or until vegetables are tender yet crisp. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Transfer to a serving plate, serve while hot, share and enjoy. Thank you. Bye for now. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Hit the bell button.